Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I want to give you a little bit of a tutorial on synchronization within handheld contact. So let's say you come into handheld contact, you make some changes, and you sort of want to make sure those changes get up to Act on your desktop. And you just want to push those up there. Handheld contact has the ability to synchronize in the background, but if you decide you want to push it, you can click on the sync status option, go up in the top in those circular arrows, click on them. And when you click on them, it will prompt or schedule or do a synchronization right then and there. So if you've added things, now you'll notice that down below under contacts, nothing was sent or received. If things are going to happen, that's what it will show right there. If it sends things up to Act, it will show you the count. If it received things from Act, it will show you the count. Now, on that note, when you are in this area, you can push that as I just showed. But if I go back to the home screen and go down to where it says settings, in the settings, there's a few options that I want to point out to you regarding synchronization. If you look right here at synchronization preferences, I can click on that. And right now I have auto sync turned on. But this is the thing that you might want to turn on that I personally have turned off. It's called Show Reminder on Start Screen, meaning when you first turn on handheld contact or open it up, it will prompt you to synchronize. It will remind you. And that's something you might want to put on just as a reminder, because sometimes there can be a subtle delay between the amount of time it takes in the schedule setup of handheld contact on your desktop computer and when it comes down to your actual device. So just a couple little steps or tips for dealing with synchronization and working with synchronization. I got to be honest with you, one of the things that I find most compelling about handheld contact is generally it just works. This stuff just works. And some of these things I tell people, don't really sweat some of these minor points because it just works. Anyhow, that's my ideas, my opinions on handheld contact. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye now.